decided to stop for dinner at this little street stall. That smell of that chicken, I was across the street and I couldn't resist that. Then I saw they had noodles, all kinds of noodle dishes, rice with chicken, just chicken, meat on a stick. It was too good to pass up. You can tell down there. You see that smoke? Do not panic. That is just deliciousness in the air. That's all that is. These places here are really cool. You order from these little carts. Believe it or not, they have like a few things. Well, here, look, let me show you real quick. Let me get up from my chair. Go over here. I didn't want to get up because I was being lazy, but I'm going to show you anyway. There's the back of it. And out of this little tiny street thing, you can see. Look at all that, man. All them dishes. It took me a while to decide because they were all so good. You got your drinks, and look at this nice lady here is frying up the chicken. I smelled that all the way across the street and said, gotta come here. It's smelling good. But the thing I really like is that you can order, and you think you might have to stand, but no. You get to come down here. It's like being at the kids' table for Thanksgiving. They don't really have adult type situations. For people here in Southeast Asia, these are not a problem for me. I have to ease myself into it slowly. They will break and bend. Woo. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I can't wait for my meal. Talk to you later. Okay, that was woo, nobody died. We're so good. This way. Alright, somebody already ate. I'm just down here looking for some tasty treats to take home. I would like some of them power cakes, some coconut rice cakes even. Those would be good. Some dude down at the Anger Night Market, whenever I see him, he's frying something up. I don't know what they are, but they are delicious. They're deep fried, they're greasy, they got meat inside. That's all I know about those. I don't even know what kind of meat. That's okay, because they are delicious, and they're two big burger patty size doughy meat-filled treats for $1. Whatever they are good. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can find something like that before I leave the Pub Street area. You're going to help me find pound cakes? Yeah? She says yes to everything, so I don't really know if she understands what I really want. Are you going to give me $5,000? See? Just anything. Doesn't matter. Okay. Anyway, I'm on the hunt for tasty treats. I'll talk to you guys later. Just got back from eating. Just thought to give you a little update. Got this. This was only 50 cents at that little store I stop at. I love this brand of green tea. I don't know what it is, but it tastes really, really good. Ichitan green tea. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Honey lemon flavor. It's delicious. These, I guess you could say these are like Little Debbie's or whatever. Heart to heart. Yeah, there we go. Mini roll cakes. Anyway, these are only $1.10, and you get 10 cakes. So that's a really good deal. Here's some detergent. I guess they use it for clothes. According to the picture, there's a shirt on it. But it's only 30 cents. And my friend Sang Lai, she doesn't prefer laundromat. She prefers to hand wash her clothes. So 30 cents. Totally worth it. Bananas, 25 cents still. And I still got some of these awesome butter sandwich crackers. So that is my snack update. Yeah. See you guys later. Alright guys, just finished up breakfast. Ate at that little noodle stall. You probably can't see it on this camera, but it's right there. Right there. Between those trees. It's right down the street from my house. And only $1 for a bowl of really good, really thick, really brothy and nice noodles. Saw these. They're all broken. I assume they're going to get fixed. These kind of things fascinate me. So I wanted to come over here and check them out. And then we'll pass this for a swing set. Yeah, I think that thing has seen better days. Definitely seen better days. But people use it. They come out here and, at night, sit in the swing. Got some construction work going on down there. Right now I'm just kind of hanging out in the shade. About 10:30 in the morning right now, and it is already like 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty muggy. So here, look at the pretty flowers on the ground. I'm sure that will be fascinating. There's a Bopa Siem Reap boutique hotel. I see 3 gates, but I don't see any of them open. The fountain's not going, so I'm not really sure. Not really sure if they're open or not. But it looks like a pretty nice place. Tell up there, look at, you got coconut trees and all kinds of foliage. Looks pretty nice. Going on a little walk. Gonna try to walk off those noodles I just had. Such a big bowl. You get a lot of noodles. You get these big, huge chunks of carrot, but they're cooked so well that you can actually break them in pieces with your chopstick. Seriously, I'm beginning to wonder why anybody would eat anywhere else when you can get so full for so little money. I think sometimes it's because of the stigma of street food. You read the internet, and after a while you begin to think it's all contaminated and it's going to make you sick and you're going to catch a parasite or something. That's just not true. Car's going in here. Got the car wash going. They always have cars in there. I'm assuming it's because people like to keep their cars clean, but this can be a very dusty place. Even in my apartment, I'm constantly wiping off my laptop and the top of my desk because I got the windows open for the cross breeze, and even though I'm on the second floor, dust just seems to flutter in and make itself at home. Of course, down here by the river, the bridge over there that will take you into the downtown part of Siem Reap. I like walking down here. It's weird that in the right in the middle of a big city that I'm probably in more nature than I have been the last 10 years back in the United States. Gonna take a walk down here now, see what's up. I'm sure I'll find something interesting. Ooh, an old El Dorado. Classic. Oh, look at this. Nice. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Just stopping here to show you this. In case you're wondering about gas prices, those prices are in Khmer real. It's 4,000 real for every dollar. So the most expensive type of gas, just a little over a buck. I would say like $1.03, $1.03, $1.04, something like that. So that's your gas prices. Couple bucks, you can fill up a scooter. It'll last you more than a month depending on how you use it. Not bad. I wanted to show you guys some fried stuff. Does that ever get old? Look at that. Incredible smell. You see they're cleaning them over there, putting the batter in over here, sticking them in the fryer over here. The smell is incredible. Sorry I had to cut that short back there with the frying, but they had music playing in the background and it's copyrighted, so I can't have it playing in my video or else I'll get a copyright strike, and nobody needs that. So unfortunately, that's all the frying I could show you. They had some more delicious looking and smelling food there, but can't do it while the music's playing, so maybe some other time. I've been here before, actually, but I don't think I've ever recorded this section of town. It's not you got the usual things you'll find all over Siem Reap. Tailor shop right here. And if you're on your bike, drive right up, get yourself some gasoline, and get on your way. And while you're at it, you can buy some yummy, yummy fruits with some hot sauce to dip it in. Very good. The prices here, as you can see, for the coffee place. $5,000 real, that's $1.25 for anything. They also have for anybody with a sweet tooth. Oh my goodness, look at those. Look at that. Oh yeah. And let's not forget about the cakes. Oh yeah. Get yourself a cake, get yourself a coffee. Unlimited beer, $5.30 to $10, $1. I'm sure they mean $1 each, by the way. Don't get excited with thinking you're going to get 4 hours worth of beer for only $1 total. There's a fluffy dog. I feel sorry for him out here in the seat. I do like that couch though. That's a nice couch. Ooh, I like that. I like the color. But I do feel sorry for dogs like that. All that fur. Out here in the heat. Advertising shop. Angkor High School. Little mom and pop shop. Yeah. And this area will go on and on and on until we get all the way down to what I believe is National Highway 6. This is like the main road to Siem Reap. Take it one way and you can go all the way to Phnom Penh if you want. Take it the other way, you go out to the airport. And the miles in between are filled with any kind of imaginable shop, service, or business that you could want. I don't know why anybody would want that, but there you go. If you're into teddy bears. And you got meats on a stick, which is the best way to have meat, in my opinion. I do like roads like this because of the amount of businesses they have, and it gives you a good idea of what you can find here in Siem Reap. The thing I don't like about them is, mainly on days like this when it's really hot and muggy, is that there's not too many places to take a rest in the shade. As you can see, it's all you're all out in the open, right in the sun all the time. And while I prefer the heat and the sun over the cold, when you're walking like this, it's always good to stop, take a little rest, get some shade, get something water. Because I'm certainly not in a hurry to get anywhere. But yeah, that's going to be what I'm looking for now. Ooh, maybe over there, go get me a shake, a smoothie. Take a rest in the shade. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys later.